Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to explain how to change elements inside a list. This is the following tutorial to the previous introduction about MicroPython lists, and hopefully this will introduce you more functionalities so you can unleash the full power of MicroPython and its data structures. So as we seen before, for creating a list we simply separate the elements by commas and put them inside square brackets. So I'm declaring a list here, and we can access elements of the list by their index, taking in consideration that lists are zero based. So for example, if I do my list 0, this should output the first element and so on. We also saw that we can use the pin method to add elements to the list, but we did not see how to actually change elements in the list, which probably is something that we'll need to do while using lists. So this is very easy, and as we did to access a certain element in order to print it or to get its value, we can actually change the assignment of that element. So for example, if I do my list 0 equals to, let me put like 9, and if now I print my list, here we go, the first element is now 9. So this is by far the simplest way of changing an element of a Python list, a MicroPython list in this case. Note that this tutorial should work also in regular Python, since MicroPython has most of the functionalities, the core functionalities. Note that one thing I've said also in the past tutorial is that we can assign different types of objects to list as list elements. For example, list can be composed by strings, numbers, other lists. So we can also change the value of an element to other than an integer in this case, which is the original type of all elements of our list. So if I go there and do my list, for example 2, the element 2, and I'm going to put here a string saying hello world. Now if I print my list, here we go, we have changed this element to a string. Just to recover the statement that I did in the last video, we can access lists by negative indexes. This is very interesting because it's not seen in so many languages. So we can also use this to change, for example, the last element of our list. So if I do my list -1 equals, I'm going to assign another list. So let me do a list of chars in this case okay, print my list, and there we go. Even using negative indexes we can change the elements of a list. So as you can see, the Python syntax is very flexible, lists are very powerful, and we can do a lot of funny things with it. So this we are just covering the basics. I will do more posts about lists, but if you investigate stuff about Python lists, you can try it in MicroPython, and most of the things will work out of the box, which is great. So thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.